In this instructional video, we'll go over how to assign Quest Journey Through the Lifespan in McGraw Hill Education's Connect. Once logged in to Connect, click Add Assignment. Scroll down and select Quest Journey Through the Lifespan. On this page, you'll notice all 14 quests are presented. To assign a quest, click the radio button next to the player image to review the game objectives. All game objectives are preloaded for assignment. You can deselect any objectives you don't want to assign. Once you have selected your objectives, scroll down and select the green Review Assignment button. Here, we have an opportunity to review the game objectives we've selected. You can return back to modify the assignment, preview the assignment, or continue to finish the assignment creation process. On this screen, we start by naming our assignment, adding a start date, end or due date, number of points for the assignment, and number of attempts. Due to the high replayability factor of Quest, it's recommended that the unlimited option be used so that students can maximize their learning experience in a low-stakes and incredibly exciting environment. Now, we click Assign. The assignment will show up on your home screen. That completes how to assign Quest Journey Through the Lifespan.